Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So it's a long weekend and Monday is a holiday, so happy Holi everyone in advance, and let's discuss what happened exactly today. Okay, so coming to our analysis, that is like today we caught the perfect, exactly the perfect reversal that one could catch. And why? Because like here there was a very big red candle, okay, and there was risk involved here. So because market could have gone down because it was below 21,926, and then market was trading at around 21,895 and could have gone till the next level 21,840. Okay, but here I saw that some big guys are buying calls, and I went along with them. So here, as you can see, 22,000 CE bought at 124. So they were buying at 122 rupees. Okay, so they, like I have posted this as well. Like, notice the time, 9:28. Okay, so I took the trade, and 9:28. Look at the candle. So this candle is from 9:25 to 9:30. So at the bottom of this candle took the trade. Also on Twitter mentioned here, that is I am taking a trade. So what does that mean? So when you are seeing a red candle, I'm taking a contra trade. That means I'm going against the trend. Okay, so look at the time, 9:32 a.m. So still here Nifty was below, as you can see there it went first, this candle went down. So at the exact bottom I told you that I was going long, and so for the followers it was a big hint. If you caught it, then fine, like otherwise, like yes, for the members it was clearly mentioned. And then I closed it at 145, but the I mean, it went more than 2x. Okay, so anyways, like you can't complain. So at least like I caught the bottom and got the profit. I got my profit, I got out, but the rest is up to you. If you want to ride, you ride. If you want to close, you close. Okay, so anyways, coming down here, that is if you want such analysis during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And I mean, today this offer is going to end, so those who are still willing to take the offer, don't miss it out. I mean, one of the best offers I'm giving till date, just because of the year end. Okay, and soon, like from tomorrow it won't be available even if you pay today. So your counting starts from Tuesday, okay, and from the next trading session. And also you would get access as soon as you pay. Okay, so and talking about the indicators as well, if you look at the charts here, then you will get a nice view. That is from here onwards. Look at the time, from 9:35 onwards the score started sharply increasing. Okay, and the spot also increased even for bank nifty as well. If you look at here, coming to Bank Nifty, our AI money flow. So here the score shot up. Okay, so here if you see that Bank Nifty was going down, but the score did not go down. Okay, so from here it shot up, and Bank Nifty also shot up, and finally, like the score, if you look at here, that is, look at the score, you'll understand here. So from 938 it was minus 11. Okay, so 939 it jumped to 31. So the score jumped clearly. And also now this score for today, it was available to public during the live market hours. So here I shared, just go and check out this tweet, okay. So here in this tweet I shared yesterday the links, okay, to access. So I did not close the links, so they were all still active today as well. So they were available publicly. And so you saw how even coming down to Nifty score as well. So morning negative, okay, Nifty went down, and then you see the score soon started recovering, and it went like showing strength. Okay, afterwards, like if you see clearly here, that is from negative 44 at 9:27 it shot up and came to like the neutral zone 0 at 9:51, and then it shot up to like here 49.50, more than 50.60. Okay, so it was showing that huge strength is there in Nifty. And so Nifty went up, and as well as Bank Nifty today. So talking about our levels, so Nifty went up, and it stayed at around 20,053 level for some time, and then again went up. Talking about Bank Nifty, it went up and then it got resistance at our lines of one of our lines of control, that is 46,900. I showed you these lines several times. Fin Nifty currently, like, it got resistance to the as you can see, yesterday's high. Not yesterday's high, sorry, this day's high. Okay, so the last high it made at around the recently, so it got resistance at around that level. And yeah, now talking about but it took support at around our level 20,649. Okay, so now let's talk about the main EOD data. So EOD data, what is it saying? So EOD data, if you look at here, that is huge short positions closed by the FIs in futures, and I think that was another reason for the rally. And also the call bias that I caught in the morning, that is like here I mentioned. Okay, so if you look at the tweet, so I clearly mentioned here, that is the HFT traders. Okay, now during, so they are high frequency traders, so at 122 at high frequency they were buying. Okay, so at around that region 122 to 127 at high frequency they were buying. And their minimum price of buying was at 122, and the maximum price they were bought at 127, and I bought in the middle 124. So the thing is that, like, they buy it at very high frequency, but in during the daytime you don't know whether it's FIs or any other prop decks or any other HNIs. But yes, now let's look at the now let's come to the EOD data and see. So if you look at options, so clearly now you would see that it was the prop decks, those who bought calls. So prop decks have bought calls today, and they have shorted puts as well. Huge amount of put shorting has also been done. So talking about even prop decks, they closed a good amount of short positions in the futures. And but yes, I mean surprisingly, no one made FIs or prop decks. They did not make long positions in the futures. That is a surprising thing, though they closed in the futures. So that's quite surprising. But let's look at the option chain. Okay, option chain, if you look at here today, FIs have taken for today. Okay, for today FIs have done put writing and call writing, and prop decks, they have done put writing and call buying. So overall now, for FIIs they have put writing positions and call writing positions, but prop decks, they have huge put writing and call buying positions. Okay, so this is a call buying and this is the put writing positions. And so prop decks are bullish, FIs are neutral, futures short positions closing, which is giving us a sign of bullishness. But again, as you know, like, I'll for what I do, my idea is to catch these big guys and trade with them. So I have been doing this along I have been doing this and showing it to you publicly during the live market hours, because what happens is that later on when I say that I have caught the bottom, no one believes. Those who saw catching me the bottom, they will believe. Otherwise the public on Twitter won't believe it. So that's why I gave a hint, and a major hint, so that, like, you understand that yes, this can be done. And even if you look at my previous day to previous day, I posted many trades on Twitter as well for the Twitter members. So I mean, those were also like catching the put buyers or the call buyers. Mainly they were put buyers. So anyways, so that means what, like, if I did it for 1 or 2 days, you could say that I went lucky or whatever. I have been constantly doing it, so that means you know that with the help of the data points, even you can also do it, but you have to figure out how to do it. So it's very, very complex, and huge data has to be calculated, and thus the outcome. Okay, so anyways, again, that's my whole analysis, that things are looking bullish. And but again, we should be like, what I'll be doing is, these days I am just catching the buyers and going with them. And moreover, the thing is that if you want my analysis, again, don't miss out the offer. It's going to last today only. And yeah, so if you like my analysis, and if you want such analysis in the future, you have to like the post. Okay, so many are just thinking that okay, chalo hum dekh lete hain iska post. You have to appreciate, you have to like the post, so that it could encourage me to post such analysis in the future. Because you will find no one, I mean, that's a unique thing that you get here. Okay, you will find no one doing or no one can figure out like the put buyers or the call buyers, the big guys. Okay, so it's a very very difficult task, and anyone can draw lines on the charts but not catch the big guys like this. So yes, if you want such analysis which you won't get anywhere, so you have to like the posts which are working out for you, and you have to share them with the other traders, so that it helps me to grow, because I am helping you to grow, you have to help me to grow, and that's how we both grow. And yeah, so that's it for today. So again, if you like the analysis, please put a thumbs up and share it among the other traders. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.